So this is the part of the Dynam Grand Cruiser retract, and it fails to come down when given the signal from the radio. I was looking at it and I see that this switch, this micro switch here, is stuck in the on position. Let us get a little close up on this and see if we can test it. So as you can see, when I test this switch, it's in the on position and it should be off, just like the other one, which should be off. So I'll have to change this switch and see if it works. So changing the limit switches definitely fix this retract. So this Grand Cruiser retract is not closing properly. Most likely this is one of the limit switches that is too forward. I'll take it out, move the limit switch and see if it will close properly. As can be seen here, the retract is not closing properly. So this is the result of a limit switch being too much forward. So the limit switch here is running too close to the spindle, and part of the spindle seems to be turning it on before the actual end point. So what I'll do, I'll file away a piece of the case and move the limit switch a little backwards. So I will try to angle this limit switch a little bit downward so it wouldn't hit the moving activator on the spindle, but it will only hit the switch part from the activator. After moving the limit switch a little backwards, you can now see that the retract closes fully, and this is how it should work. So it opens fully and it closes fully now. As a help, you might want to put these connectors here, because if the retracts go bad, then you'll have to open the whole plane. Here you can deal with the retracts without opening the whole plane. So I'm just testing the repaired retracts, and you can see that it closes fully now.